Hello everyone, it's Gökçen. Let's erase the wrinkles around the eye area. Before applying any cream or oil, massage on 5 spots of muscles. It will help the blood circulation before the massage and it will wake the muscles up. Also, if you have a brush for face, do a dry brushing for more blood circulation. This is a pony hair brush. It is gentle and used for eye area as well. Then apply an oil which you prefer. I use apricot kernel oil. It's a good antioxidant and great for dark spots. Do circles around eye area for 30 seconds. Now massage on crow's feet wrinkles, like you are trying to open them up, like you are ironing them, for 30 seconds. Let's do the same on the other side. Make your index finger and thumb C-shape and hold your brows and under eye area like you are trying to open it while you are winking. Feel the stretching of muscles. Look down right while winking and hold the side of eyes, avoiding any wrinkles. We are trying to strengthen the muscles. Don't want any new wrinkles. Let's do it on the other side for 30 seconds. Fingers are V-shaped and massage from under cheekbones towards the eyebrows. While close your fingers, slightly massage on brows and crow's feet wrinkles. necessary, take some more oil on your fingers. Get your fingers together on the crow's feet and open them up while massage through the scalp for 1 minute. Your fingers should be slippery, otherwise you might make new wrinkles. Feel the lifting up your eye area and eyebrows. Now let's use gua sha. You can also use spoon instead of it. Leave the spoon in the fridge for 5 minutes. It's better to be cold. Use gua sha horizontal position, 45 bevel. Never hold it vertical on your face. Massage gently. Remember, whichever you use, spoon or gua sha, it should be slippery. It shouldn't hurt your skin. If you need, apply some more oil. Same for the other side for 30 seconds.
Thank you everyone for doing the exercises with me. Don't forget to do it every day for 2 weeks for the best result. You can see the results slightly even now, even today, but for the best results, do it for 2 weeks. So take care, inside and out.